Accessing the referral feature. Navigate to the left side menu panel and select the referral feature. Click on Business to view details under the following tabs: Client Referral Information, Referral Information, and Lead Information. Client Referral Information. This tab displays details such as date the referral was sent, method used to send the referral, client who shared the referral, total referrals sent by the client, number of visits to your referral landing page, number of form submissions, whether the referral message was modified. Use filters to narrow down data by referral method, SMS or email. Search for a client by their name to locate specific referral details. Export the data in CSV format for further analysis. Referral information. This tab provides date of the referral, client's name, lead's name, email and phone number. Action status, actioned, the lead has submitted the form. Pending, the lead has not yet submitted the form. Use the search feature to find specific clients or leads. Apply date filters to view referrals for a specific time period. Export this data to a CSV file. Lead information. This tab displays lead's name, email, phone number, country, and city. Use the search feature to locate specific leads. Apply date filters to refine the results. Export the data to a CSV file based on your requirements.